Mighty VS7 CL108 Cooling System Service Kit. This kit is made of two components, your CL103 as well as your CL104. CL103 is your non-acid formula cleaner suitable for use in every style of radiator as well as every style of coolant. Larry?
That's right, Mike. The second part of the kit is your cooling system protectant. This is a non-alkaline protectant. It helps to boost the additive package that's already in your antifreeze coolant, helps it last longer, and that way it'll give you a little more mileage out of your vehicle before you have to do it again.
The CL108 kit makes for a complete fluid exchange when you are doing a radiator coolant service.
One thing to keep in mind, Mike, too, is there are many dissimilar metals in a cooling system. Both of these products are suitable for use in all types of systems and won't harm any type of metals.